Here the question is, solve the following system of linear equations. Minus 2y is equal to 5 and 8x plus 7y is equal to 15, and verify your answer. Here the system of linear equation that is given as 7x minus 2y is equal to 5 and 8x plus 7y is equal to 15. First, we need to eliminate the term y term. For that, we multiply the first equation by 7. That is 49x minus 14y is equal to 35. This is equation 1. This is equation 2. So 1 into 7. That implies. And this is equation number 3. Now in the second equation, we will multiply by 2. That implies 16x plus 14y is equal to 30. Now adding 3 and 4, we will get 65x is equal to 65. That means x is equal to 1. So we eliminate the term y and find the value of x as 1. Now substitute the value of x in equation 1. We will get 7 into 1 minus 2y is equal to 5. That's equal to minus 2y is equal to 5 minus 7. That's equal to minus 2. Hence, y is equal to minus 2 divided by minus 2. That's equal to 1. Here we will get x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. Hence, the solution of the system is the ordered pair x comma y is equal to 1 comma 1. This is the solution of our system of linear equations. Now we need to verify this answer. Well, given that 7x minus 2y is equal to 5 and 8x plus 7y is equal to 15. In each equation, we will substitute the values of x and y and verify the answer. So, in first equation, 7 into 1 minus 2 into 1 is equal to 5. That is 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. That is 5 is equal to 5. So, equation for equation 1, the result is correct. In equation 2, 8 into 1 plus 7 into 1 is equal to 15. That is 8 plus 7 is equal to 15. That is 15 is equal to 15. Hence, for equation 2 also, the result is correct. Hence, verified. This is the final answer. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for next video.
Need 100 by 100 in maths? Join the Samacheer Kalvi guide. We provide online classes and concept-based videos for class 10 and 12